Bruce with E-Train Travel. Today, I wanted to go on one of these little boat rides down one of these canals, which is, it's not that far from where I live. It's probably about a 10-minute train ride, but they're exciting. It's a good way and a cheap way to go all over the city of Bangkok. And it's going to be a short video, but I'll show you what it's like to go on one of these and take it up and down the river. So hopefully we'll have a little fun. I hope I don't fall. no clue where I'm going. I'm just going up and down this little canal. And I got off, looked around, completely lost, and I think I'm gonna head in a different direction. So it's, this is what happens when you don't plan anything. You just walk out, you're like, oh, that's kind of interesting. I think I'll try that. You get lost sometimes, and that is kind of the exciting part when you travel. Like, safety isn't that much of a concern when you hop on a boat like that. Jump off the boat. Yeah, so it's I mean, it's not scary, but you know, if you have any health issues or if you're handicapped, Bangkok's probably not the place to be, especially if you want to take a little boat ride somewhere. That was a lot of fun. You know, wasn't a long ride. I actually got off at one spot because I got lost and I had to go back the other way around. But you know, an hour of my time, it was exciting, and it's only 12 baht, which is about 30 cents. Public transportation here in Thailand is very inexpensive. It's only when you really do the taxis where it really adds up. I'm actually just may go buy a moped because mopeds are really cheap, or you can buy a brand new one for, you know, $1,200, $1,500. You could buy them used for as low as $150, $200. Don't mind something that's, you know, 10 years old with 30,000 miles on it, but they are available. Anyway, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And like I said, just to give you a little insight to the channel here, I don't have anything planned out. Normally I just walk with my cell phone. I find an area that I think I may want to record in, and that's what I do. I really just don't plan things. I probably should. But these are just daily vlogs of me being here, currently in Bangkok. I'm sure I'll be in other countries very soon. And yeah, like I said, if you have any comments, leave them below. I always get back to you. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night.